Many people, including children from inner city schools who would otherwise not have been given a chance to experience the true meaning of Christmas, were treated in many different ways, much to their delight this Christmas. Here is Kirk Wright with today's edition of A Ray of Hope.
A ray of hope is
Jamaica getting their independence.
Jollity during the Yuletide season made possible for the disabled, as children from 5 different schools were selected to be feted at the Christmas treat held for them in the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC Transport Center. Over 100 disabled children enjoyed themselves, entertained by the Pembroke Hall High School live band, as well as clowns and Santa Claus. The treat, put on by the San Marino Foundation and the JUTC, also feted the children with gifts and refreshment. Chairperson of the San Marino Foundation, Varys Clark Ellis, says she wants the event to become an annual one.
This is I think this is the first time that the disabled children from these 5 schools were ever singled out for a special treat just for them.
And as you can see, the children weren't the only ones who enjoyed themselves. Even Santa was dancing. JUTC's operations manager, Keith Blake, says this is one way the JUTC continues to give back to the disabled community. Currently, the company provides 3 buses to transport the disabled.
On a daily basis, the drivers, the customer service faces challenges with them, but we are up to the challenge because we love our children. We love the disabilities. And so what happened is that when they come into the center, from time to time things will happen. They have their sicknesses and so on. As a matter of fact, the other day a driver had to take care of one who had a fit.
The disabled were not the only children feted in the Yuletide season. Students, mainly from inner city schools, were taken from their usual environment and treated by Jerry and Nevy Foundation at the Coconut Park in St. Andrew. Mrs. Miller Gibbons, a teacher at the Seaview Gardens Primary School, says the experience will help the students.
what it does also is to give them the experience to write in the examination. Remember that students need background information in order to readily write their tasks. Also, what it does, it motivates them.
At Emmett Park, St. George's College in Kingston, Food for the Poor had their hands full while trying to treat over 2,000 less fortunate people. It's a treat Food for the Poor has been doing for over 20 years.
This is the people that are from all walks of life, mostly elderly people, but all underprivileged and just coming here to enjoy themselves for the day. And it has been a greater success every year. I mean, you see the faces of the people. You've seen what I've seen today.
And at the Jonathan Grant High School in St. Catherine, it was the teachers' treat. Courts Jamaica donated beds and chairs so they could have their own in their sick bay instead of sharing with the students.
I must also thank our nurse practitioner, Nurse White, for her initiative for spearheading this call on courts to assist us and to make our wellness center becoming the first-class wellness center that we wanted to become in short order. What she has done is to help develop and grow our school, take an initiative, make things happen.
In Tivoli Gardens, their Christmas treat was in the form of a health care. Everyone got free health checkup to include dental care.
They accept all the services, access all the services, but dental, it's always the most.
The service was good. I think they should come back a little more often so other people can get a chance.
I'm Kirk Wright with A Ray of Hope.
A ray of hope